In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in FigJam. We'll go through the basic collaboration tools you need to start working with other people inside a FigJam board, whether you're brainstorming, collecting feedback, or organizing tasks. The process is simple, and once you know where everything is, it becomes very easy to invite others and contribute together in real time. To begin, open your FigJam file. Make sure you're inside the board you want to share and edit with your team. This is the main workspace where all collaboration will happen, so starting in the correct file is important before you invite anyone else. Once your FigJam file is open, go to the top right corner and click Share. This will open a pop-up where you can invite people to the file. From here, you have two options. You can add people directly by entering their email address, or you can copy the share link and send it however you prefer. Before you send access, choose the correct permission level for each person. You can set them to can view if you only want them to look at the board, or can edit if you want them to actively participate and make changes. Choosing the right permission helps keep your board organized and make sure everyone has the level of access they need. After sharing the file, you can start adding content together. One of the most useful tools in FigJam is the sticky note. To add one, press S on your keyboard or click the sticky note tool from the bottom toolbar. Then click anywhere on the board where you want the note to appear. Once it's placed, type your idea, feedback, or task directly into the note. Sticky notes are especially helpful for brainstorming sessions because they let everyone add thoughts quickly in a visual way. If you want to direct a note to someone specific, type the @ symbol followed by their name to mention them. You can also add comments. To do that, click the comment button, which looks like a speech bubble in the bottom toolbar. Then click anywhere on the board where you want the comment to be attached. Type your comment, and if needed, mention someone by using the @ symbol and their name. Comments are useful when you want to give feedback or ask a question without changing the board content itself. And that's it. Once you know how to share your FigJam file, add sticky notes and leave comments, you're ready to collaborate smoothly with others inside the board.